Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from AMatterOfCrime, and the title of the video is Man Shoots His Own Cousin After Flirting Accusations. Let's get into it, man. Your own cousin?
When he went into the car, into the store, allegedly the guy, the shooter, was trying to holler at her. I don't know how he knew that, but that's what he said. No, you're not getting back in my car. No, you're not getting back in my car. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And I can see the pistol right here.
Today's story starts with a routine trip to the gas station, but ends in a shocking twist of betrayal and violence. A man heads out with his girlfriend and cousin, a simple pit stop turning into something far more dangerous. When his cousin crosses the line, chatting up his girlfriend, tensions erupt. What started as a day out with family turns into an intense face-off, and before they can leave, a gun is drawn, and a single shot changes everything. Here's what happened next.
I don't know.
Family witnesses?
My wife.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, did any of you see what
My
happened?
wife is right there.
Okay.
Please. No. Oh my. I can't. My leg. I can't lower it. I can't keep it up. Please. Please.
Are you his wife?
I'm his girlfriend. I just need to get in touch with his mom. Our stuff is in the car. I have to call my job and everything, but I can't leave him.
Hand it to me, babe.
I can't leave him.
Why can't she come with me?
That's what I was trying to tell you. When I was doing like this, I said they got guns. That's why I was trying to tell you they got guns. That wasn't my intention. I was
Where'd that tape go?
I handed it to Semchi.
Oh, Semchi?
Yeah,
Okay.
Semchi grabbed it from me.
Where'd that tape go?
Semchi.
Oh, Semchi? Okay. Oh, okay. I see.
I was parked right here.
Was he in a car by
They
chance?
was in the, okay, when I pulled up, they were both outside the vehicle.
Okay.
Or getting outside the vehicle.
This one right here?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, can you step away from the car, please?
I'm his girlfriend. I was in the car. My stuff is in here. I'm trying to get the keys.
Was he shot in this car?
No.
Where was he shot?
Right there. Yeah. I know she was in the keys.
Okay.
I just need to get the keys.
You just need the
This
key
is his
for it?
mom's car, and I'm trying to at least, okay. The alarm is on. I don't know how to turn it.
It's okay.
I don't know how to turn the alarm off. I'm just trying to find the key. So his mom.
No, he got shot right there. That's what they're saying.
They were arguing about him not getting in the car.
Yeah, they're arguing about not getting in the car for some reason. Do you know where the key is?
Huh?
Do you know where the key is?
No, I'm trying to get in touch with his mom to see if she can get in here really quick.
Or no, I'm sorry, you're not. Who was this other guy?
His cousin.
It's his cousin? Like
Yeah.
blood cousin or just
Yeah.
like good friend cousin?
That's his blood
Cousin? Okay, what were they arguing about? Over you?
Huh?
Over you?
Yeah.
About like
Because he
relationship
was like,
stuff?
no, because his cousin was trying to.
Hey. Ooh. They arguing over her, man. She must be a hot commodity in the hood. You hear me? Hot commodity. That thing must be. You know what I'm saying? Listen, guys will go crazy if that thing is. Woo! You got that ooh wee. Boy, guys, literally, we are seeing guys go crazy. They're literally throwing their life away for some cat. You know what I'm saying? Or the chances, the hopes of trying to get some cat. You know what I mean? And hey, look, man, ladies, if you got that fire, you got that fire. And I know every lady think they got that fire, but you know, listen, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. And she know it too. She like fighting over me. You know, she know that hit different. You know what I'm saying? And the cop, he was kind of surprised. He like, huh?
Over you?
Huh?
Over you?
Yeah.
About like
Because he
relationship
was like,
stuff?
no, because his cousin was trying to was asking me weird questions and stuff, and I told him, but I was on my way to work.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And
I got
it
you.
was just a good fight, but his cousin was
Pulled a gun on him?
just hang tight, okay? We're gonna have, what's your name, hon? What's your name? We're gonna have some detectives come out, and they're gonna want to talk to you about everything too, okay? Just so we get a clear picture of what actually happened here, okay? Can you tell me how old? Can you tell me how old? Is it your boyfriend?
Yeah. Can you give me 1 second? I have to call his mother, and I'm trying to.
Before you do that, because I know it's gonna be a minute, and it's probably gonna be very stressful. What is his name? He's gonna be alright, okay? He's gonna be okay. How old are you?
21.
21. You guys get him? It's his cousin. Yeah.
There was an accident.
Yeah. They were arguing. I don't think it was an accident.
The guy that Okay, so come on.
Just watch out for the blood.
I pulled up right here, okay?
This your car right here?
No, this car right here. My husband went into the store. I was just gonna wait until. Why don't you mind your business? I'm talking to him. He came and got me. You ain't got nothing to do with this. Anyway, so I'm pulled up right here. And then he went inside this.
I ain't gonna lie. I love my people, man. I'm sorry. Like, I love my people, right? Like, she like, why don't you mind your business? That's like the auntie in the hood. Like, that's like, I'm sorry, man. They crazy, bro. They crazy. She check him in a minute. You hear me? Listen to what she said.
My husband went into the store. I was just gonna wait until. Why don't you mind your business? I'm talking to him. He came and got me.
Get her right.
You ain't got nothing to do with this. Anyway, so I'm pulled up right here, and then he went inside the store. My cousin was pulled right here. She just happened to pull up, and she waved to us.
I got you.
And then my husband said hi to her as he was going to the store. I got out, went over to her car, and we said hi. What y'all doing today? And he went to that. They arguing, they going back and forth around the car, and I'm like, dang, is they playing? Is they for real?
Around this black
car,
Chevy?
yeah.
Okay.
Because when this old dude, the driver, when he went into the store, allegedly the guy, the shooter, was trying to holler at her. I don't know how he knew that, but that's what he was saying. No, you're not getting back in my car. No, you're not getting back in my car. No, yes, I am. Yes, I am. And I can see the pistol right here in this pocket like this. No, I'm sorry, it was this one. Because he was standing right here. I can see the pistol. And then I went back to Edna. I said, Edna, they got guns. I said, they got guns. I moved my car. So I moved my car up here, and I'm sitting in the car, and I'm telling old dude, the one guy that has Hustle 8, he's sitting over there, and I'm telling him like this. And I'm looking for my cell phone because I was going to call y'all, but I couldn't find it. So then I got out the car to go ask Edna to give me her phone. Now they right here. And well, it started right here around
in the Malibu.
around the vehicle.
Around this car?
Yes. Because he wanted to get back in the car. The victim would not let him get back in the car. Because he said he was trying to holler at this girl when he was in the store. So he's standing right here. He said, boy, I'll shoot you. And I don't know what the other guy was saying. I don't know if they was having words back and forth, but he never pulled a gun out. He pulled that damn gun out and went pow. I think the guy was shot the first thing. Pow. I think it was just 2 shots.
Then why were you stepping there?
And I got to screaming, and I ran in the store hollering and screaming.
I got you.
No, he sat here trying to say, the gun went off. It was in my pocket. I was trying to protect both of us. And I looked at him and I said, okay, he does have a gun. But I saw the whole thing, but I did tell him that I saw the whole thing.
Right. All right.
And he took his shirt off, trying to push me off the way because we put a tourniquet and was, trying to, I got a blanket, a pillow, and was trying to do what we could. And the guy, the shooter, he tried to push me off the way. I said, no, we trying to stop the blood. He took his shirt, that white shirt that's tied around his leg, that came off the shooter.
Okay. And
First 48.
what was her name, ma'am?
Jennifer.
You're pretty key witness.
Yeah. And he said, that's my cousin. I wouldn't hurt my cousin. I'm like, really? But I'm going to tell y'all right now, he pulled the gun out and shot him. It wasn't like the gun went off accidentally.
Right.
Pow, pow.
You guys saw what happened?
Hell no, I didn't see shit.
I was inside the gas station. I heard the 2 guns.
You know where you at?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, yo. Oh my God. Like, this is amazing. He said the cop rolled down. He said, hey, y'all seen it? He said, oh, nah. What? Hell nah. You got the wrong. Isn't it so crazy how, you know, the men and women act completely different? Like, it's like, hell nah, we ain't seen it. You know where you at? Oh my goodness, this is great. This is absolutely fantastic.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now. He pulled the gun out and shot him. It wasn't like the gun went off accidentally. Pow, pow.
Auntie not playing.
Hell no, I didn't see shit.
Uncles don't know that.
You know where you at? You're on the east side of Akron. Ain't nobody seen
So if you
nothing.
didn't see anything, get
We
outside
ain't
of the
seen
tape.
bang.
I'm already outside of the tape.
No, outside of the tape.
I just,
That side of the
me?
tape. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, ain't nobody.
So did you see anything that happened?
I was sitting on the crack right
Did you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
What would you see? Did anybody talk to you yet? No. Okay. What'd you see?
Somebody get shot.
She's the manager. She's the manager.
Here, honey.
So what exactly did you see?
They was arguing about he was that's his girl right there. The one got shot.
Yeah, yeah.
So I guess when he got out there, they was saying like you trying to holler at my girl.
Okay. He's the guy that got shot said that? Okay.
No, the guy said yeah, you trying to holler at my girl.
Okay.
He like, cuz I want to do that, I want to do that. That's how the argument starts. So they trying to leave, but you know he locked the door so his cousin won't get in.
Okay.
So he trying to open the door because she had the door still open. He trying to hit the locks in so he get in the back.
13.
But once he tried to get in the back, dude walked around the car. The one got shot.
13.
And he said, "Don't walk up on me." Because
Continue line for 36 South County.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll call you or not, but just I appreciate your help.
13-8 firm.
She could tell y'all everything. She's sitting right there.
Yeah. Well, just you were over here, so I figured I'd see you.
She's sitting right there.
Auntie. Get some more tea. You were sitting. You were up there.
Boy, I'm still thinking about that. Like, you got Auntie over there. She's singing everything. She like, what? This happened, blah, 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 blah. Then you got the uncles. You got the OGs over there. They like, yo, did you see anything? I see nothing, boy. What? Oh, you know where you at, boy? It's like, yo, we ain't see nothing. You hear me? Oh, man. And then you got this guy who he's kind of put in a tough spot because he kind of saying something, but the lady already said that he's seen, you know, he already seen it. She said the dude with the Hustle 8 shirt on, you know, so he already kind of put in a spot, you know what I mean?
Right here between the freezer and
But nobody don't want to get called to no court, man.
You got a car here? Or?
No, my girl working.
She's working. Okay. Is the store locked?
Yeah, they locked it.
Okay. All right. Yeah, if you don't mind, just hang out like right up here.
Look at Auntie. Look at her. Uh-oh. We in pursuit, baby.
There, possibly.
Okay, let's go.
On the ground.
Yeah.
On the ground.
Oh, he walking? Oh, yeah.
You have a large rifle on me.
Westbound on Archwood, light up in Bell. Shooter is westbound.
Sir, it was a discharge of a weapon, sir.
That's fine, man. We'll get it figured out, all right?
Sir,
Just relax. Just relax.
I wasn't trying to run in nothing.
I have an apprehension.
Can I sit up, man?
965.
Hey, sir, can you get this weapon out of my pocket? I went to discharge it to put it down and it went off.
Listen, I'm going to stand you up, all right?
Yes, sir.
He still got it on.
Don't do that. Sir, it went off. It might be chambered. I was trying to help my cousin. What the fuck? Bro, I was trying to help my cousin. Yes, sir.
Just relax, man. If it was an accident, just relax, brother, all right?
Yes, sir.
Any other weapons on you?
I do not know.
Okay.
No, I do not. Even when it says I wear a jacket, I was like, all right, chill, don't push me.
Oh, yeah, boy. Akron? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we gonna see you in about 5 years, my boy. At least. You getting 5. They gonna get 5 about you. I don't know about, I don't really know too much about Ohio, but I know in New York, just having a gun, that's 5. Like, you getting 5, So, and then you shot somebody? Oh, man. Yeah. This gonna be your last day.
No other things on me, sir.
Where is the...
I ain't gonna run it.
Okay, you good.
Hey, could you put...
What's that?
While I'm sitting here, could you put these in front of me?
They can't.
Hi, sir.
Did they come out of the mag? I think they were in his pocket.
He said he was rejecting them.
The suspect was hit with a slew of charges, including aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Was this an impulsive act of betrayal or a...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.